विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण पुढचं यूज the use of potentiometer to find the internal resistance of cell. To find the internal resistance of cell, we consider potentiometer A point, B point, cell whose EMF E, plug key K, rheostat RH. This was my cell E1, internal resistance R. This is cell E1. R is small r is internal resistance, and that can be determined using potentiometer AB. We plug key K1, resistance box R, galvanometer and jockey. The construction of potentiometer or circuit diagram to show the internal resistance or to determine internal resistance of given cell. The source or cell whose EMF E, plug key K and rheostat RH connected in series across potentiometer wire AB. The cell E1 whose internal resistance R and plug key K1 are connected at point A, and the another terminal of K1 is connected to fixed resistance box R, and the negative terminal of cell and one terminal of resistance box connected to one end of galvanometer, and another end of galvanometer is connected to sliding key or jockey. If plug key K closed and K1 open, this key is closed and K1 open, the electric current passing through this circuit instead of this resistance box, galvanometer shows deflection. Then we find out using sliding key or jockey on this wire AB, we find out null point or zero deflection. We find out null point or zero deflection on the wire AB. Suppose that deflection is observed at point C, then measure the distance between A to C. Suppose this distance AC is equal to L1 due to cell E1. Therefore, E1 is equal to K into L1, where this K is called potential gradient. Now, if both if both kits, that is K and K1 closed, K and K1 closed, then the electric current passing through the totally circuit and galvanometer shows deflection. Take some suitable resistance from this resistance box and touch again the jockey at different point on this wire AB and also find out null point or zero deflection. In second case, now if K and K1 closed, the jockey touch on wire A to B, and secondly we find out zero deflection or null point. Suppose secondly this deflection is observed at point D, then measure the distance A to D. But in this case we used total potential, that is E1 and E. Say this potential is phi. Therefore we get another equation, or firstly the point is observed at, suppose D, we measure AD, and this AD is equal to say KL2. KL2 due to total potential phi is equal to K into L2. Then we get E1 upon V is equal to K L1 divided by K L2. K cancel, therefore E1 upon V is equal to L1 divided by L2. Equation number 1. We get the equation number 1, E1 upon V is equal to L1 upon L2. Now we apply Kirchhoff's law of this circuit. Suppose P, Q, R, S. Oh, this is loop. Loop P, Q, R, S. We used Kirchhoff's law and find out EMF E1. We get EMF E1 is equal to, this is the capital R, the current passing through this loop is suppose I. Current passing through this loop is I. This small r is internal resistance, capital R is external resistance. Therefore, we get IR plus I into small r. This is the EMF. E1 is equal to IR plus I into small r. Therefore, E1 is equal to I into bracket R capital R plus small r. Also, using Ohm's law, phi is equal to IR. Therefore, E1 upon phi is equal to I R plus R divided by IR. I cancel. E1 upon phi is equal to R plus small r divided by capital R. Equation second. We get first equation E1 upon V, L1 upon L2. Second equation E1 upon V is equal to R plus R divided by R. From equation 1 and equation 2 we get, from equation 1 and equation 2 we get R plus R divided by capital R is equal to L1 upon L2. because the left hand side of this equation is same, hence right hand side is also same. Or we get 1 plus r upon r, which is equal to L1 upon L2. Or r upon r is equal to L1 divided by L2 minus 1. Or r divided by r is equal to L1 minus L2 divided by L2. Or finally, small r is equal to capital R into bracket L1 minus L2 divided by L2. Using this equation, r is equal to, or small r is equal to capital R into bracket L1 minus L2 divided by L2, and using this equation we can determine the internal resistance of given cell. Here small r means internal resistance of cell, capital R means resistance from resistor box, L1 and L2 is the balancing length between wire A to B, or in between wire AB